Here's Justin. Here's Jose, about to do the first inspection on Hive A.
I wish my nose was shorter so it doesn't touch the screen.
Yeah.
You ready? Yeah. No bees on top.
Oh, there's one in the hive right there.
I think it's cold enough that they're gonna be kind of calm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're working on this.
A little bit. They're starting.
Yeah. You can see a lot of activity at the bottom of the box though. All these hives still, or all these frames are still bare.
Now you're gonna pull the box.
Oh man, they've
Sealed it already?
Mm-hmm.
So they've already sealed the top box to the next box with propolis, I guess. Oh, look at that. And?
Don't want to crush them.
Oh, yeah.
No, put it on. There you go. There you go. So we're looking for eggs, queen. Do we have any new comb? The answer is yes on that, right?
You know, it doesn't look like they've expanded out to this two on the outside of this one, but they definitely 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nobody on that one.
You know, I'm wondering, we didn't wax these, so we just cleaned them.
Yeah, there's activity though. That's activity, bro. That wasn't there before.
You don't think that's, I think that's the old stuff from when
Is
we
it?
cleaned them, yeah.
Okay.
We didn't wax these trays, there was a problem when we first started this.
Should we wax them?
We don't have any wax right now. They should start building wax though. Alright, we're just gonna remember to put frames back in the same position we brought them out.
And
At
again,
least the ones with the bees.
yeah. So yeah, it's pretty much.
Oh, we should put numbers on them, huh? Like with a Sharpie?
I mean, we could, but I'm not too worried about it because, like, these ones, they can go back in any spot. I'm just,
Okay.
Yeah, so they're still under 5 original trays.
yeah.
And that's all right. Nice, healthy. You wanna pull one of those trays just to see.
Yep.
Should we? Do they need to be?
Well, we want to see if there's babies and eggs, and since we're checking any. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go get that strip.
Oh, the mite strip?
I'm out of smoke too.
Oh.
Well, I won't break them free until we get all that stuff there. Oh, the smoke's going. I can get the smoke going again.
I'll go get that strip.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off.
They're like, why are you guys opening this up? It's so cold right now.
Yeah.